the money? Who gets the honeys? Who's kind of cute? Who's just a mess? I still don't have the right look, and I still have the same three friends, and I'm pretty much the same as I was back then. High school memories. High school memories. Run with Ohio, except the snow and the rain. I really like to tell you what I love to see, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So when you're done, doing whatever, when you're through, doing whoever, you can take a shout, it will be right here, waiting for you. Come back to Texas. It's just not the same since you went away before you lose your accent. I forget all about the Lone Star Stand to finally talk to a girl a little cooler than me. Her name is Nona, she's a rocker with a nose ring. She wears a two-way, but I'm not quite sure what that means. When she walks, all the wind blows and the angels sing. She doesn't notice me, 'cause she's watching wrestling, dreaming of the tough guy, listening to rap metal, turntable. It's like a bad movie, she's looking through me. If you were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I fell miserably, trying to keep the girl on the bad guys want. Her had it all, one Prozac a day, husband's a CPA. Her chasing out the door, she turned 24, living with one man. What happened to her plan? She was gonna be an actress, she was gonna be a star. She was gonna shake her ass on the hood of Leslie's car. Her yellow SUV is now the enemy. Looks at her average life, nothing has been alright since first reaching Madonna. Way before Nirvana, there was YouTube and Blondie. She's still on MTV, but she's been in high school. Tell her that she's uncle, she's still preoccupied.